close my eyes.
Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to
I want to hug you and tell you I love you.